Okay.
I am recording it.
Okay.
I will share my screen. Okay, this is it.
Ya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Radan, introduce me. My name is Angga, but my friends, my family call me Abah. Then
Okay.
you can also call me Abah.
Fine.
Very simple. Yes, very simple name, Abah. Just like that. Okay, Abah means in Arabic means father, right?
Okay. Okay.
So they call me like that. Yeah, okay. Radan, this is it. We
Yeah.
are facing a new normal condition in all country after the coronavirus pandemic.
Yes.
Many of expert they make some prediction. Yeah, at least this four of these I found mostly all about these four things. The first one is people will be act whatever. Whatever means they will be ignoring the government, they will be ignoring the protocoler or something like that. They will be going out, and then because of what? Because of their family needs to be fit, right? They need to find money, so we cannot stay at home for so many long time. Yeah, so many expert prediction the people will act whatever. Second one, this is new world order, Yeah, well, many people talking like that. New world order, we are controlling by global elites, or something, some kind like that. The third one, people will be weak economically, and then they're talking about how much saving do people have.
No
And the
saving.
fact is, yes, it happened right now. People already act whatever new normal is happening. Economically, almost all country, yeah, is economically weak, and they don't have enough saving to run their life. So, what options will we have right now? What options will people have right now? Well, we don't have many options. The first one is our option is narrow right now, of course. So we have to seriously build a business on the internet, of course. Yeah, everyone is going to be internet business, going to be online, go online. So we have to do the same one. So we need to be guided by a coach or a mentor. We need a positive community, so we can be always positive. And we have known the fact that the best choice is now building business on the internet. Then, are you simply selling just like that? Or we need to selling with great strategy? So, will we not seriously to running a business? No. We need to seriously building a digital system. And do we right now just take a small profit, or we will take a big profit? That is a question. So right now I'm going to show Radan and my friends Nigars right here how to raise and growth our income 10x, yeah, with digital marketing. The first one, I have a question for you. Which one do we need right now? Exactly. It is a business omset or income. Which one?
What do you mean by onset?
Omset is a business. What is it called? Maybe Nigar can help me. What is omset? Omset is total revenue.
I suppose it's an Indonesian word. That's why I can't understand.
No.
Okay.
Omset is English. Is English. Omset is English word.
Revenue means capital. Your capital.
Okay. Total revenue.
Okay. Okay.
Do we need total revenue count or do we need the real one? Income. The money cash in to our pocket income. So suppose we are supposed to focus to generating more income, right? Not only revenue, because revenue is just a number. They don't give a real money. Let's say, I'm in Indonesia. I'm also a corporate consultant for many of big government bank. I always talking to their marketing or sales division. How much revenue that you take, that you giving to your company last month? For example, last month. Well, I bring about 2 billion rupiah. And then after that, how many income do you earn? You know, it's so little. Well, that happened in Indonesia. Well, I think that also happened in all country. Not revenue, but we are right now. We should focusing on generating more income, right? Okay, so this is it. Yeah, I have 3 secrets to grow our income 10x. The first one is, jurus is the secret number 1. Ini Indonesian. Masih bahasa Indonesia nih. Okay, I have 3 secrets. The first one is we going to be building a collaboration with companies that sell premium product and collect as much money as possible from them. That's it. The second one is how to get the best salesperson, the sales team, let's say like that, on planet Earth to sell our product, to sell your product 24 hours, 7 days a week, without holidays, without break. How? It is to building a funnel strategy. The secret number 3 is put people in your funnel, of course. Put people in your funnel strategy that we already building before. Secret number 1, collaboration. Okay, I found this man, Radan. This man is totally crazy. He is as young as me. He just maybe right now 33, 34 years old. I'm right now 37 years old. Yeah, he is very young. See, we call him M, just M, initial. M, in just 11 months, he earned about 50 million. Crazy. 50 million in just 11 months. Plus, he earned a base salary about $5,000 US dollar, about $5,000 per month. And after 2 years, he is running this business. M earned about 100 million plus base salary 10K per month. So, do we want it? Of course, yes. Yes, of course, yes. Nah, M, he building a system, internet system, digital marketing system in Canada. Comes from Canada, and the company is not from Canada. The company is foreign company who wants to grow their business in Canada, and then M collaborate with them. So M create a platform, a digital platform, yeah, in Canada to running this business. And for learning from M, we must subscribe, we must pay about $99 US dollars per month. What we can get, private community access, mentorship, and blah 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 blah. All of that. $99 per month. But so we are investing to learn from M. From M, Mr. M. $99 monthly equal to 12 months. So this is equal $1,188. So if we converting it to Indian rupee, well, I'm using a exchange rate about how much it 75 right now or something. Okay, let's say 75.
Yeah.
So we are. So you must testing about 89K in 1 year. And 89K 1 year investing to learn from M. But M guarantee in 12 months, you will earn at least 5 million. Okay, M, what if I have followed all of your course, all of your method, all of your strategy, but in the end, I cannot earn 5 million. M said, well, I will give you your 11K dollars back. 11K, sorry. 1,100K back to you. Guarantee. Wow. Okay, nothing to lose then. What will we lose? No. Maybe just time. 12 months. We will lose our 12 months. Maybe just like that. But we didn't lose anything, I think. Okay. The question is, how can Mr. M guarantee 5 million in 12 months? This is it. If you join M, $99 per month, but in 1 year warranty, we can produce minimum 5 million. The fact is, he himself produce 11 months, he produced 50 millions. Does it make sense the way? 5 million is just 10% of his own earn. So it does make sense. Plus, given the basic salary again by the company, about 5,000 monthly. So worth it? I think yes. So if Radan, if you in my position and you get this offer from M, what will you do? So me and my friends, I take.
We save it.
Yeah, I take this offer, this crazy offer, man. Well, it's crazy, man. So me and my friends take this offer, and we crack it, we modeling it, we restructure it into the more positive, into the more effective way. Right now, we have the more simplified form. Just the essential way we take. Okay, so we will think about it again. Mr. M, he get the base salary, yeah, as a monthly operating budget, just for the internet, just to pay the internet, just for his food, for his family costs, monthly $5,000. In Canada, $5,000 is just monthly operating budget. You can see in Canada, $5,000 is just monthly operating budget. But in Indonesia, in India, it's not just monthly operating budget. It is, well, it's a huge amount. Well, not very huge, but it's a, apa ya istilahnya Maninggar? Ini udah termasuk golongan orang kaya gitu, gimana tuh?
Iya, Bah, ini suara saya bisa masuk ya, Bah?
Masuk.
Oke.
Coba. Ini income orang kaya gimana?
Yes. That is the reach of the income man. Yes. It's good. Yes, we are going for getting that of $5,000.
Yeah. Well, in Canada, it's just a monthly operating budget, but in India, it's not just a monthly operating.
Yes.
Yeah, but in India, it's too much.
It is rich people earn monthly.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is a different. This is a different value in our country, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Indonesia,
it's so different.
Wow, $5,000 is like, it's like movie star.
It's like a jackpot.
It's like a movie star. It's like a movie star income, artist income.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the requirement? Well, without condition. The company said, without condition, we will send you the money. It's just for your living cost. The most important thing is you make selling. You are selling our product in your country, just like that. Even if I only sell 1 unit per month, yes, it's okay. Even if you are selling just 1 unit, we will pay you that basic salary to you.
Yes.
The company said like that to M. But after M achieves some position, I will explain it later. Okay, and no office. M not going to build his office. He is doing digital marketing. He is running this business in his home. No need to be absent every morning to go to office, and then you will do a fingerprint absent or scanner, something like that. Not necessary. So this is a real passive income. We can tell our family, I will going to get our real passive income. Yeah. 335K a month, per month. And M achieved this only by 11 months. If we work by duplicating the digital marketing system, but we are slow, assume that this is achievement can be achieved in 5 years. Assume it. But I will ask you something. This is it. If we work in a company for 5 years, is it possible to us to get a basic salary, just a basic salary of 325K per month? Is it possible? Well, honestly, maybe it's possible. But for sure, you must still to enter the office. You must still absent every morning, right?
Yes, it means still working. Okay, it's still working.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will still working. You will go to your office every day. But what he not necessary to go to office. Which office? Which office? The office is on his home. Okay, if you run our own business, is in 5 years, is it possible to get a basic salary of 325K per month? Well, it is impossible to get a basic salary, But income, well, if it's income of our business per month is possible, but it is still active income. This month, maybe we earn 325K Will you get another next month? Belum tentu tuh apa ya?
It's
uncertain.
It's not.
Yeah, it just uncertainty. Our own business. So this is it. Why we should take a collaboration with this premium company? Because no need to be tired of managing production, imports, permit, etc. Premium product means the company is very benefit and financially strong. Having a more value, not just selling brand, we will attract clients with better quality. The community is different, so the opportunity for expansion also different. This is it. The same energy, the same internet subscription fee, the same operational cost in business, but we will earn a greater sales commission. And also we sell a cheap product, but it is difficult to develop. It could be your fortune is in premium product. Maybe Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala giving our fortune in premium product. Maybe. Well, once I knew this concept, this strategy, I'm going to some colleagues. He is property developer, you know, he sell house. So I come to him, I talk to him. Bro, I will helping you selling your property. He asked to me, how will you do it? I tell him, I will bundle my product with all your housing. Okay, what benefit will I get? He asked me. One, your housing will sold faster. Okay, interesting. Second one, you will get cashback from us from every unit sold because I bundle my product with your housing. Okay. He said to me, okay, show me the plan. By the way, in Indonesia, it is about 1.5 million rupiah. It is equal to 75K Indian rupee. So I will use the 75K. Okay, this is the developer. I tell him, I will bundle your house with my electrical unit. So you will reallocate your marketing budget to my product. Okay? Deal? Deal. He said deal. Okay. So if one unit sold, the developer will get 7.5K per unit. 1 point. We call it 1 point. So I will give him 7.5K.
What is the dollar or rupees?
Rupees.
Okay.
So the question is, how will this strategy will make the housing sold faster? So we are on the pameran itu apa ya?
Event.
Okay. We are on the event, and then the prospective buyer came to us. He asked about the house. So I tell him, sir, if you are booking this unit right now, exactly this time, you will get the number 1. Kafling itu apa bahasa Inggris?
Kafling, it's the same coupling.
Okay, the same. Okay. You will get the kafling number 1. I tell him, I'll tell the prospective buyer like that. What the benefit to me? Sir, look at this. If this afternoon came to me the prospective buyer. And he giving me the booking fee. Well, he will get the number 3 and I will put him in under you. Apa nih? Under your position. And you will get the cashback about 7.5K rupees. If this night in this event came again, another person take one cuffling, you will get again 7.5.
Yeah. So okay. It's double. It's double pay.
It's double.
Yes.
It means in the next layer, you will be get 7.5K 4 times.
4 times, yeah. Okay, 4 times.
So this money will help you to pay your mortgage. Of course. But it will happen if you booking this cuffling right now. Apa tuh Mbak? Saya nggak bisa jamin kalau nanti siang Anda masih nomor 1.
If you don't take the booking now, of course, maybe the other next time it will cancel off the deal that the cooperation between house and bundle. That's something. Just this is about the time when you booking now, then you
will get the top position.
Yes, you're right. Yeah. So when you booking now, you will be top of the rank now. But when you cancel it and or you postpone it, of course, you will getting down and down and down. And there is no layer that you can get it. Something like that.
Yes.
So this is just about the time, right?
Yes. So at that time, the developer succeeded. He sold about 510 unit, more of that exactly. And he get from me, because of one unit, he get a 7.5K from me. He earned about 3.8 million.
Wow, fantastic, man.
Big.
Yeah, lumayan apa? Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. It's very good, of course.
It's very nice then.
Yes, but the game with developer is off right now, so we are not running it again. So right now we still doing this business, but without the housing.
Without the houses,
without
yes.
The housing.
Without the property, okay.
Without the property. So we only sold the unit.
Only sold the unit now, okay? Just
yes.
I mean that now when you don't have the make a corporation with the property, then now you just selling the machine, only the machine, yes. Okay?
Only the machine,
okay.
Right.
Okay, so it's not bundle again, okay?
So yes, it's not a bundle again. Right now, we only selling the machine only.
Okay.
So you, yes. Radan is right here. I will write down your name. In India, of course, with this system. But the commission is different right now. You can see right now is 10.8K per unit. Okay. This is 7.5. Right now is 10.K. And you will sell just the unit. Okay. So if we are duplicating that system again, Radan, when you achieve the layer 8, of course it is You can see it. It is multiplying. Bilangan berpangkat. It is multiplying 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Yeah, it is multiplying. You can see. So the total unit from layer 1 to layer 8 total is yeah. Okay, sorry. 510 units. You will earn about 5.5
billion.
Yes, 5.5 million. You will your total earn will be around that. Okay. Okay, we see it right now. This explanation. This is you. In layer 1, you will be get 2 unit. Layer 2, 4 unit. Layer 3, 8 unit. And so on. In layer 9, we don't get commission again. The commission is just sampai
until
apa ya? Sampai
until layer 8.
Until layer 8 only. Yeah. Layer 9 we cannot get commission again. The total unit is this is 510 units and units. Total earn around 5.5 million rupees.
Billion.
We also get additional bonus. I will explain.
But what after buyer 8?
Okay, I will explain in the next slide.
Yeah.
But now I will counting it first. 2 unit plus 4 means it's 6. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 plus 32 is 62. Yes, 62 plus 64. 62 about 126 unit. You will add 2 unit again, so it will achieve 128 unit total. What means this number? What with this number? 128 unit. Okay.
Yeah. What happened with this number?
Yes.
What will you explain?
What happened with this number? This number means if you directly or indirectly means the number 1 and number 2, right? Maybe number 3, 4, 5. This is indirect sales.
Okay.
Okay. You, whether it is a direct or indirect, once your total group sales inside at level, of course, once total group sales hit or achieve 128 units, you will be ranked as a 6A. This about just about name rank.
Just only mention.
Yes.
We call it just only mention just 6A.
6A,
right?
Rank 6A.
Okay. When we have target 128, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then we will get the bonus around $3,000 US, and it will be achieved at layer 6. Of course, we will. We already count it before, right? Layer 6, 128. Layer 6. Okay. Next, what will be happen? So it will be happen. 126. Yes. 128 units. So your team will be achieve the 6A and 6A, right? And you will become a 6A2. Yep. 6A2 get a bonus about 6,000, and it will be achieve. Kok gini tulisannya? Achieve at layer 7. Okay. By the time, of course, it will be right. You can see it will be like this. right? So 682 and 682 on your team, you will become 682-2. You will become 682-2. Okay, you will get the bonus 12,000 US dollar.
So it's mentioned with 682-2, okay?
Yes, if you are 682-2, this condition.
Okay.
By the time, fast or slow, it will achieve.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one is this. Oh, okay, sorry, ini 25.000 harusnya. Okay, if the condition like this, 682-2, 682-2, well, Radan will become 682-3. Okay,
yeah.
You can see the change is on the tail. The tail is changed to -3. From -2 like this, -2, -3. Okay, what will be happen in -3? 682-3 will get $25,000 bonus one time only. But the game is not like that. The game is like this. When you are 6A, you will get 3,000, right? When you are 682, you will get 6,000. When you are 682, you will get 12,000. Okay. When you are 682-3, you will get 25,000 and we are still remember this. $5,000 monthly for your life. This is it. So, Radan, our target is to become 682-3. So we will get the $5,000 per month. With only exchange rate 45, it means 3,025,000 rupees. And still, without condition, you only sell even if you only sell 1 unit per month. And still no office, still no need to be absent to the office every morning, and this is a real passive income. This is not include all the commission, you know. This is only, yes, this is only monthly operating budget.
Yeah.
So, since we are living in, you are living in India and we are living in Indonesia, this $5,000 is not only monthly operating budget. It's a rich people standard life, you know. So I will give this question to you. Which one? Which one do you prefer? You get 1 million this month. You got 1 million this month, but next month you don't know how much you will get. Or $5,000, $5,000 US dollar per month, fixed income, fixed rate, and we are no need to think again about it next month and the following month. Which one? The left or right?
Radan, Mr. Radan, Dr. Angga say to you, which one you like? Which prefer you like?
5,000.
Left one, I mean that the right one.
5,000 because we didn't need to think again about the next month. I have friends, Radan. I have a friend in Bandung City in Indonesia. His name is Taufik. He has 7 children, and all of his children is going to school. You know, 7
educated.
Going to school.
Yeah.
So, but Taufik already achieved the rank of 682-3 and he get $5,000 every month. And he doesn't need to think about it every month. His children is going to school. And what is he doing at his home? He just watching movie, you know. Wow.
This is so very, very
That kind of
exciting for us, of course.
Well, I see him. I'm going to work when my children sleep. I come home, they already sleep. But Taufik, he didn't do that. He in his home all the time, watching TV, doing game. You know, well, that's life. Well, as a Muslim, well, of course, Taufik, he is gimana? Menghafal Quran.
Yeah, just memorize the Quran.
He memorize the Quran.
Yeah.
Because nothing apa ya? Gak ada yang harus dilakukan lagi gitu.
Yes. There is nothing to do when you got $5 USA, and then whatever you want to do, it's not important. So just every day just relax and just
Memorizing the
going
Quran. Yes, that's it. Of course, I personally also choosing the right one because no need to think. I think the thing again is is the center of point right now. Okay.
I will get the 5,000, the 1,000 for next. Okay, with Radan, Radan will increase at India, and then we just increase here.
Yes, of course.
It's
okay,
possible,
what is the company? The company name is Energic. Energic is a Japanese company. They since 74 factory. The main factory is in Osaka. I personally go to Osaka several times. Head office in Okinawa. I also going to Okinawa several times. I already witnessed with my own eyes how big this company is. In India, they already opening since 2016. Energic India. This is their office in India. You can see. I don't know where is it, but the office, corporate office is in Bangalore. You know, Bangalore
and Chennai.
Yes. Chennai is registered office. This second branch in India. Okay, corporate office in Bangalore.
Do you have any office at Mumbai?
Oh yeah.
Mumbai.
Oh, okay. Maybe right now they
many area.
Yeah, maybe they already have a
spread all over the area,
yes,
right?
Okay.
Okay.
The next branch maybe in Mumbai they have also, but the corporate office is Bangalore. You know, Bangalore.
Yeah. The central of office.
Yes. In India, in February last year, they held this event, third anniversary last year, 2019. And this is the speaker. Samir Potdar already achieved -3. And he is Indian man. Rajan Manjekar already -3. And he's come from Indian, of course. Yeah. And Energic India, they bring several speakers from USA, and this is -6. You can see they have a -6 rank. You can see -6, -6, -6, -5, -5. Okay. So in India, already several leaders in India who achieve the -3 rank right now. Maybe right now they already -4 maybe. I think yes. I think -4 right now. Right now is maybe yeah.
Wait a minute. When the tail will be changed, upgrade. Maybe you say, maybe we can say that when we have -3, we got the 5,000, and then when we up again the level, for example, -4 or -4 or -5
That's 5.
or yes, it will be get more and more, not 5,000
Not only
more,
here.
not yeah, not 5,000 more. Okay.
Yes. -6 will get 10,000 monthly. -5
Okay.
get 15
Oh,
monthly.
yes. Okay.
-6 will get 20.
Yeah.
In the world right now, -6 only held by 4 or 5% only. The highest rank in the world is -6. -7 belum ada. Apa belum ada?
The top rank, right? The top rank. -6.
-6 is right now the highest rank.
Only 5%?
Only 5% in the world.
Masya Allah.
Nah inilah orang-orangnya gitu -6 tuh. Ya.
Oh.
-6.
Here are the people. Here are the person of that -6, right?
Yes.
6, and then there are many people.
-5.
Okay.
In India right now, I believe in India, one of them right now is -4. I believe this year, because this event is last year event, and last year they already -3. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is the machine in India. Leftlook Junior 4. Maybe Nigar already send you this information or not. Okay, the price is this is 218. The commission is 1 point commission is 10.800 per point. So if I am sold this unit.
What is the price of that product?
Sorry?
What is the price? What is the price of that product? 218 what?
Rupee.
Berapa harganya?
Ini.
That one. That is the detail of the price.
The price is in rupee, Indian rupee.
218,000 rupees.
Oh, means it's 21. Oh, 218,000.
218,000, right?
Yes, rupees.
Rupees, in rupees.
So what is in dollars? What is dollar? Dokter?
Nggak ada di dolar. Ini cuma baru dijual di India. Seluruh dunia baru jual di India ini.
Okay, so he said that this is the new one that India have. India just the first time that this is Leftlook Junior 4 is the first time that India have this product, new product, before the other old one.
The other countries in the world.
No, but yeah. I'm still confused about the price. What is this 218 or 218,000 rupees?
218,000 rupees.
218,000 rupees.
So that is called 218,000 rupees.
Okay.
But that is too much. That is too much for that machine.
Yes.
218,000. That is for the industrial supply machine. And I suppose this is a domestic machine.
Yes, but still the game is okay. After this, I will show you. I will show you the game. I will show you the game. Okay, the price of the machine is 218,000 rupees. Okay, when I sold this machine at this price, Energic will give the commission. This one. 86.4K. But they are not giving me all the commission in once. They split it into 8 points. So the value of 1 point is 10,800 rupees. And we already knew it, as I mentioned it in this slide. Okay, you got it? So it's just 1 point. At 8 point, this is the commission. Okay. So right now, do we only doing to find a money every day, or do we go to building a money machine? I will show you the game. What is the game? My game is, the game is like this. Okay. I'm doing Facebook ads. I'm advertised in Facebook. Since India is very, very, very big, has all apa ya? India tuh punya apa ya? Punya pengguna Facebook terbesar di dunia.
Yeah, FB is the most words in the world. The most user, the most I mean that, yeah, the most user. FB is the most bigger, the biggest in the world, right?
Yeah, right.
FB just
okay, this is the game. I create some video ads, so you will be also doing like this exactly. Creating a video ads. I have the script, but in Indonesian. In Indonesian, you will make in your language, of course. Video ads. Okay. So people watching my video ads on Facebook, they click it, they seeing my landing page. My landing page is a simple website like this. You can see. After they see my video ads on Facebook, oh nggak bisa dibuka, nggak bisa dibuka yang ini. After they see my, sorry, di sini nggak ada ya webinar. Okay. After they see my ads on Facebook, they go to my landing page. In my landing page, I'm just talking about webinar. Okay, will you continuing your selling activity just like that, or will you want to grow your business bigger and faster with this digital marketing strategy? If you want to learn about this, come to my webinar. Ya, kurang lebih seperti itu.
Yes. It's so faster with FB ads, right?
Yes. My video ads sounds like that, you know. So if you want to grow your business faster and bigger in digital marketing, you should action right now. You register to my webinar. I'm just talking like that in my video ads. So they register, they entering my WhatsApp group, waiting list group, and then in the D-Day, they watching my webinar. So I will explain to them, just like that. In this era, you cannot
meet face by face, just only on digital marketing, right?
Yeah. Right now. And you cannot continue the selling activity just like the old fashion. You must transform to the new one. So I'm giving you this, well, let's say seven tips. 7 tips to grow your business. Just like that. This is my webinar. My webinar title.
The theme of the title is 7 tips.
Just example, right? Just example. Okay. And then after the webinar, I am giving them mentoring in the WhatsApp group. Giving them mentoring. What I tell to them is mindset, a growth mindset, a business mindset, just like that. And then I ask them to meeting with me in the day 2 and day 3 in the Zoom meeting like this. And in the Zoom meeting in the 3rd day, I am selling to them. I am selling to them. What am I selling? I am selling the what is front end intensive class. Ya, intensive class yang kurang lebih, coba bentar, kalau saya mau hitung
more and less,
kurang lebih bahasa ini kalau di rupiah misalkan 99.000 atau 100.000 rupiah itu berapa ya?
More or less than
500 rupees. I asked them to join the intensive class for about only 500 rupees. So they will register to it. They will register to my intensive class. Okay? And this is my intensive class. This is my intensive class. Mentoring Abah. Right now is already 5 batch. Radan. You can see mentoring Abah 3. The number 3 mentoring Abah. This is batch 3. The 5th mentoring Abah. The 4th mentoring Abah. You can see. The 2nd mentoring Abah. So many people register to me. And they paid me. And you know, they paid me, and then after at least 7 days in this intensive class, day 7, I tell to them who want to collaborate with me. In my business. And you know what? They came to me, gimana Mbak ngomongnya Mbak? Mereka datang kepada saya dengan dirinya.
Of course, they themselves, when we registered of the way of Mr. Angga, and then by their self, just want to be collaborate with Mr. Angga. So all people just registered here only want to doing with Mr. Angga in his business. So we just something like that. When Mr. Angga up, we must be up too, because Mr. Angga always find people from FB ads.
Yes.
Something like that. Don't worry, if we want to go outside, I mean that the rank of this Mr. Angga will be grow up the business, and then we just will become growing up to something like that.
Okay. So in day 7, they came to me.
Yes.
Offering themselves. Abah, I want to collaborate with you. They offering themselves to me.
Same with me.
Same with Niga.
I want to collaborate with you.
And then after they ask me, Abah, I want to collaborate with you. Then after that, I'm just show them this presentation, this presentation, this one. And as I ask them, okay, who wants to join with me right now? If you are entering the system right now, you will get the number 1. Okay, who is with me not now? Transfer the money to me right now. This is my bank account. And you know what? This is crazy. The day by day, they transferring me. Mana nih yang booking coupling? Datanya. Nah, so many people join to me. How could this happen? Of course, this happened because of the number system. If I didn't launch this strategy, maybe it's a different story, But since I have this system, I just tell to them, okay, who wants to take the number 1? If you want to be the number 1, you transfer your money to my bank account right now. And they come to me. So many people. You can see the date. I'm starting it in tanggal berapa ini? 19 of July to 29. It's just 10 days. On about 10 days, 23 people registered. Just only in 10 days. How if we run it 3 months, 6 months, 1 year? Well, I think we can finish. We can finish 6A 2 days 2 or So if I go directly to them, hey friends, who wants to buy? If I went to them directly.
Hello.
Hey, okay. If I went to them directly and I offering this machine to them in the price 218,000, they will reject me, of course. They will tell to me, oh, I don't have money. That's a huge amount, Yeah, well, of course. If I want directly. But I'm not going to them directly. They going to me. I am who chasing them. They chasing me. Because of what? Because of the game. What game? This game. This strategy. They ask me, okay, if I am transferring right now, if I am transferring to you tomorrow, if it's okay, well, I just tell to them, it's okay, but I am not guarantee you will get the top number. Maybe you will get the bottom number. And at midnight, they go to ATM and they transfer their money to me. Midnight, they go to ATM, the ATM machine, because of this strategy. So our selling point is not only about the machine. The machine is very, 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 very good machine. This is very extraordinary technology right now. I will explain it to you later. But right now, we're focusing on the business strategy. So you can imagine if Radan, you running these Facebook ads in India, just to tell, okay, I will hold a webinar in your video ads. 7 tips or 7 secret to grow your business, faster, or some kind like that lah. Who wants to join the webinar? Just click the link and register yourself, just like that, and there will be go to your webinar. The webinar is free, right? So since it's free, many people will join.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I have a question.
Yes.
How long is the meeting supposed to be now?
Right now is, well, I think all the point is I already delivered to you.
Mr. Abba, I got your point. In this thing, the product doesn't matter. The thing is that we have to work as per the system.
Gimana?
Hello?
Yeah.
In this product is the excellent product, but we have to work as per the system.
Yes.
That's what you are. Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Yes.
We will work at that system.
Yeah. So my point is that, can you share me the number of that guy who's working in India from Bangalore and Chennai?
For what? For what purpose?
Because I have to communicate with him and know something more about the product.
Oh, okay. The product knowledge, right?
Yeah,
you can contact the office directly to the office, but
Chennai and Bangalore is quite far away from where I stay. So presently, what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk with him on phone or WhatsApp and try to learn about the product.
Okay.
At first point, I want to know how we are going to get the product in India.
Okay. So dia tanya untuk product knowledge ya Mbak ya?
Iya. Dia minta supaya yang area dia yang paling dekat dengan dia. Okay, Radan, which one that office you want to know about that near your area?
Bangalore.
Okay, Bangalore is the center of the office is Bangalore. Maybe we will give you the address or something you want to.
Telepon aja bisa sebenarnya.
Yes, you can call that office.
Ya.
Tapi gini Mbak kasih tauin, kalau ada distributor yang mau nyuruh dia bergabung, jangan mau, karena nanti dia nggak bergabung di sistem kita.
Okay. Let me tell you. I'll tell you first. When you will between Indonesian and India is very straight for a fight the system. So when you will going that office and then the other distributor will be take you for that system. So that you not in our system again. Do you know what I mean? Radan?
Yeah. But what my point is that,
Wait a minute. So when you want to join with us, then we will atur dia di sana gitu, gimana Pak?
Ya. Gampang, nanti tinggal dikasih nomor ID-nya Mbak Nigar aja, ketika register di kantor India langsung otomatis di bawah Mbak Nigar posisinya.
Okay, Radan, when you want get this business, maybe the other person will be give you the ID at India.
Okay.
Then I mean that it's not my ID. Then you are out of the system. So when you get my
I want to join under his ID. I'm going to join under your ID. I just
Okay.
want to,
Yes.
I understand what you want to say. I understand what you want to say. I understand.
Okay, udah.
Yeah,
I don't. Yeah,
Sip.
yeah, I got your point, sir. I just want to learn about that, and
Yes.
I want to gain some more knowledge in that. And whenever I'm sure about doing this, I'm going to join under your ID.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
that's great.
You mean that you want to know about knowledge of this machine, right?
Yeah, I want to know the knowledge about this machine, because this machine are many machines manufacturer that are there in India, and there is a great competition in this machine. So I have to learn the system, and I want to know that even when I grow this business to a great extent, will I be able to get that product instantly, or that might create a problem, because since the product is from Indonesia,
Oh, okay.
and those people who are joining under me, they will have trust on me, and they will join for that purpose.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Yes.
If I won't be able to supply the product to
This
them,
machine must be from Indian, okay? This machine will be from Indian. That you will have to know about that one, and you want to know everything about this machine. Then you have to go into center of that office, Bangalore. That
Yeah.
is okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Abah, what is
Okay.
next?
Okay. I will send you. Well, I will send you the YouTube video link that explain in Hindi, mungkin Hindi language or.
Yeah, very excellent. Hindi or English is good.
Okay, okay. I will send you the link.
Okay, okay, fine, sir. Fine.
Aja. Selain itu nanti kasih alamat kantor Indi aja, Mbak. Di websitenya ada.
Okay, I will give you that Bangalore of the office, the center of the office. I will give you that address. Okay, maybe
Okay.
after this, maybe we will be chat after this about
Okay,
this business for us. Okay.
Fine.
Okay. So maybe more and less, maybe you have. You already know what is our system, how we do that. So maybe at India, maybe still doing and running by face to face, but we just only use paid FB ads, and we just gaming the playing of the game is just something like this. Only just repeat and just like this. Okay, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Are you sure you mean? Are you sure you understand what I said?
In India also right now the situation is that we can't go face to face, because due to lockdown everybody is doing their business online only.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
That's
so
okay.
Thanks Abba for your wonderful speech. I really appreciate your words, and I'm going to make a little further study on this, and I'll let you know soon.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Radan. Nice to meet you. Nice to know you. You are very kind person.
Radan.
Yeah.
Radan.
Yeah.
Yeah. So after this, we just chat, and we have to spread, and we have to action for fasting, right? I mean that for fast or okay. Do you know what I mean? So because wait a minute. I want to talk with Abah. Abah, perlu nggak dikasih lihat itu structure yang untuk dilihatkan itu di mana posisi saya dalam waktu 1 hari 2 hari gitu?
Okay. I will show.
Then I will tell
one slide again.
The structure. Yes, one slide again.
Just one slide.
Wait a minute. Just see that.
Okay, this one. This one is growing only this many people. So many people. Okay. This is ini dia posisinya.
Here I am, Nigar. Just show him.
Yes, this is.
Raden, you see that? So this is all the downline is Abba fine from paid FB ads only. So we have to, I mean that when all is a shape like this, so just we have make a great team and then just do it something like this strategy again and again. And this is just only berapa lama nih, Dok?
Januari sampai Juli 6 bulan. 6 bulan. Tapi kemarin kan terdampak corona dulu.
Okay, this is January, from January until now. But I mean that this is, I think this is so fast because we just find this formulate for the system, and then we just do like this and just need a few months, and this is will be grow up well. Do you understand what I said?
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe we'll arrange your ID when it is appear. Then I still don't know. I mean that you still learning it first, right? And if you really sure, then you will got the ID, and we will get a corporation will be well. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Abba. Thank you for your nice explanation. I really appreciate you. You are doing a wonderful job. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I have to leave right now. I have to leave right now because I am on job right now. I have to leave now.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, right? Sorry.
It's my working hours. Right now, it's my working hours.
Okay. See you. Okay. Bye.
Okay, see you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nigar. Thank you. Bye.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Yes. Allah bless you. Bye.